What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a much needed electrical day. Today we're gonna be grounding the entire motor, making new grounds because this shit is unacceptable. And then we have to change out a few connectors, the sensor connectors. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what we have here is my pre-made 4-gauge wire. I wrapped it in DR25 heat shrink. Got some ring terminals, shrink wrap, my cutters. So let's make this one. Alright, just about right. Just about right. Alright. First, we just gotta measure this and then trim it. Look at that tight, secure connection. This is adhesive lined shrink wrap. I love this stuff because it seals it completely. Right, that one's done. This is the one for the head to the firewall. Alright, so I got the two ground wires done. I'm gonna put it under the car. So I got the first ground in. The first ground goes from the side towards the side of the engine block on the back side to the corner of the subframe. And then this one will go from the back of the head to the firewall. Alright, now what we have to do is this is the S2000 map sensor. When I ordered the harness, I forgot to mention that we'll be using the K series one. So now we have to change that, and I have the K series connector here. So now we have to take this apart and then put this connector on. That way we can connect it to the map sensor under here. So first things first, we have to pop this out. That. Then we have to pry this little plastic one up. Then what you want to do is, you see here, you have to lift up all of them. Just like that. Now you can save this connector if you ever need it for anything. Alright, so with the K series, it's actually pretty simple. We just have to swap out, I guess not swap, but we have to flip. I think it's these two, like that, but I will confirm. So basically what we have to flip is the green and the white. So yeah, the green would go in the middle like that. That's it. So when you do this, what you want to do is clip it as close to here as you can. There you go. Just like that. Now we just need to shrink wrap this and we're set. There you go, baby. We got map sensor now.
What are you plugging in?
I think I'm looking for the AC clutch connector. So I found the AC clutch connector. The reason I couldn't find it is because they accidentally mislabeled it ECT. So I'm glad I found it. And it goes in here. So the last and final sensor that I need to install will be the fuel pressure sensor, which will go right here and then goes all the way back into the car and into the ECU. So I'm gonna make that right here. I'm gonna twist it and everything. Alright, so we got our brake cam on here. Tips for when you're putting on the heat shrink, sometimes when they ship it, they'll fold it so it'll have like little creases like this in there. What I like to do is spray silicone lubricant on all this and spray a little bit inside the tube and it'll slide right through easily. You gotta have another guy kind of squeeze it a little bit though, but it'll go right through, even when it's a tolerance like that. See it? So now we have to wire it to this fuel pressure. So I believe the connector is here.
You can always see it look on top.
This is the connector. So remember, after you put your heat shrink tubing on, you want to zip tie it so it doesn't slip off. Then, I'm such an idiot, I forgot to put this grommet in before I put the pins in. So now I have to force this shit in here. I'm such an idiot. Oh my god.
You have to take it all off?
I can't believe I did that. No. Just gotta find a way. There we go. So based on the diagram, it goes like this. So your 5-volt goes in here. Like that. Okay. Alright, so once again I goofed, so I have to redo this all over because the way this goes into the connector. Where's the connector? Right here. You have to feed it in from here and pull it out like that. So, yep. That's the only way it will seat. Just like that. So we heat shrink that already. Looks pretty good. Just got to do this end part a little bit more. Bear with me, guys. I got a pretty dope heat gun coming on the way, so that's probably the last time you're gonna see me use a torch. But
you have a what?
A heat gun, a legit one. Look at that. Now that's some legit wiring right there, baby. Bam! Look at that. Too legit to quit, baby. It's the ballistic wiring. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Alright, let's put the sensor in. Alright. Now, so got the sensor in. All we have to do now is run this inside into the cabin and then into the ECU, but that will be on another episode. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do today is I'm gonna install the spoon fog light covers. Now, the way Spoon does it is they have this little corny rubber grommet right here that goes right into this hole, and then as you tighten the screw in there, it just expands. It's just kind of ghetto. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put rib nuts in there, and then we're gonna use, you already know, Chasing J's, baby. As you know, we here at Ballistic, you know, we gotta constantly innovate and, you know, constantly upgrade. So instead of using this garbage, this is the best invention ever. All you gotta do is shove it in there. Just like that. She's in. Now, I have no idea how to get this out.
Bro.
It's my first time using this, so bear with me. Bear with me here. This is too much sauce.
Switcheroo.
Switcheroo. It fit? Alright, so we finished it. On this one, I sent it a little too hard and I cracked it. So we're probably either gonna wrap this trim in a black vinyl or just spray paint this. But besides that,
It fit.
it fits. Kaden, can you give me more bolts, bro?
Oh, pulling
This
it.
is the most satisfying part right here.
Sheesh.
Blue tinted. Looks good.
Now the other side. Right.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and remember, authenticity is king. Peace out, and I love you guys. Later.